Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the difference between legality and just sort of getting away with it. And it's kind of a constant refrain when you're talking, well, at least for me, when I'm talking to expats here in Thailand, where they ask me things like, just offhand, well, can I do this or can I do that? And by the way, some of those questions I enjoy. Some of them it's like, I don't know how many angels can dance on the head of a pin. Sometimes it gets a little attenuated from reality, I guess. But the reason for the video is I'll often get responses when people say, well, I'm here on, like, this is for example, this is just a hypothetical. I'm here in Thailand on a retirement visa, but I want to work at my wife's restaurant. And my initial response to that is, no, you can't do that. Retirement visas are not work authorized. And then this hypothetical person will say, well, so-and-so's doing it. I've seen them do it. That notion is conflating getting away with something with being legal. And that is a major mistake, in my opinion, here in Thailand, because, yeah, people can get away with things. I mean, things go unnoticed. Law enforcement in Thailand can't be everywhere at once. They're not omnipresent. But long story short, in the long run, you're playing against the odds in the sense that there is a certainty, if there's a certainty that something's illegal, if it's ever noted by the relevant law enforcement authorities, you're going to have a major issue. It's just a bad idea to sort of operate on the presumption that you're just going to continue to, quote unquote, get away with something in perpetuity. We really saw this in earnest back when the blacklist was imposed in Thailand. And a lot of people that had stayed in Thailand for decades in some cases in overstay just kind of shrugged it off. And I kind of get it, because they've been here for years and it had never really been a problem. Well, when they brought that in, they were serious about it. And I saw we did videos on it at the time, multiple people who'd been here for decades got deported, which, arguably they shouldn't have been here in overstay to begin with. But these were people that had lived in one specific place for a very prolonged period of time, and then they were deported from that place and they're not able to come back. That is a situation where getting away with it, it's sort of like Dave Chappelle's When Keeping It Real Goes Wrong. This is kind of one of those situations where getting away with it led to a real problem. So again, never a good idea to conflate legality with just getting away with something.